Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and launch your own online business without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning print-on-demand website completely free, so you can start selling custom products and making money online today. First, choose your platform. I recommend Google Sites for beginners. It is totally free and incredibly easy to use. Head over to Google Sites and sign in with your Google account. Click on the plus sign to start a new site now. Give your website a name that reflects your brand. Next, it's time to design your website. Keep it clean, simple, and user-friendly. Use high-quality images. Google Sites allows you to drag and drop elements, so it's super intuitive. Now for the fun part, designing your products. Create eye-catching designs that appeal to your target audience. Use free design tools like Canva to create unique graphics. The key is to find a niche and create designs that people actually want to buy. Next, you'll need to integrate with a print-on-demand service. I suggest Printful, Printify, or Gelato. These platforms handle everything from printing to shipping, so you don't have to worry about inventory. Connect your Google site to your chosen platform using the embed option, displaying products on your pages. Once everything looks perfect, hit that publish button. Share your website link on social media, run some targeted ads, and start getting those sales rolling. And it may take some hustle, but you can do it. Congratulations, you've just created a print-on-demand website for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments what other types of tutorials you'd like to see.